Make a great choice today with the 2016 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat, leather seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.